I didn't hear nothing he said in his verse. Did he even have a verse? Cause I feel like I just heard this throughout the whole time. This the shit they like?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm going in the studio right now. They got me fucked up.
YhapoJJ.
Make some noise.
Your second favorite Drake rapper.
How you know?
Cause you said Netspin was the best. Why you laughing?
I said Netspin was better than YhapoJJ?
Yeah, you said he was better than Xavier So Bass and YhapoJJ.
Did I say that?
Yes.
Alright, let's see. You know I just be playing though, but let's see what he got.
You hear the tag? The girl laughing, she's saying you're listening to YhapoJJ.
Oh.
You didn't even peep that?
I hear the tag, but I ain't hear what she said.
That's hard. And it's on beat.
What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? I said my brother scope on out, scope on through the scope. I said my brother scope on out, brother get him going. I said my brother want a million out. I said my brother want a million, want a bigger house. Brother want a million, yeah, fuck your spouse. Rolling down with you, get him down. Rolling down with you, and they will get him down. She ain't had no clue, fuck around, split her down. Niggas said it's true, fuck around and rip him down. What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise?
At least
What
I
all
hear
the
what you're
bitches
saying.
at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise?
He sound like he got water in his throat and he ain't finished swallowing the water. Like he's just sitting in his throat.
What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise? I walk in with that pack, walking with that oil. Know that ass was fat, so I grabbed it, yo. You know that ass was fat, I had to tap that, yo. Know that ass was fat, can I grab
The
it,
beat
yo?
go crazy though.
Walking out with that, walking with that.
I ain't gonna lie, his flow is right in the beat. I just like
What
what
you
is he
feel like?
saying?
That's what I'm saying. Like if he
lyrics.
said it a little louder,
What all the bitches at? Can you make some noise?
That's the only thing I hear.
All the bitches
bitches
at?
that
Can you make some noise? What all the
I ain't.
bitches at? Can you make some noise?
I didn't hear nothing he said in his
What all the
verse.
bitches
Did he
at?
even have a verse? Cause I feel like I just heard this throughout the whole time. This the shit they like?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm going in the studio right now. They got me fucked up.